What inspired me to become an attorney was while I was growing up, I watched people who were disadvantaged and people who I thought at times were being taken advantage of. And so at a very young age, I decided that what I wanted to do was to get into a career and an occupation where I could help people, but not only help people, but advocate for them, speak on their behalf, and represent them. So I knew at a very, very young age that I wanted to become an attorney. Farah and Farah would give any client a distinct advantage in going up against multi-billion-dollar insurance companies. We have the resources and the assets necessary for us to retain whatever experts we need or to do any other type of work necessary to properly litigate a personal injury case. What makes a successful attorney, and particularly a successful plaintiff's personal injury attorney? You have to be fearless. You are going up against multi-billion-dollar insurance companies with unlimited assets. They can wear you down. You can't let them wear you down. You have to have the endurance, you have to have the strength, and you have to have the confidence in yourself to go up against them each and every day. And that's what I do. That's what I've been doing for the last 20 years at Farah and Farah. What I love most about working at Farah and Farah is we have the resources to do what we need to do for the client, yet we have the freedom and the autonomy to do it as we see fit in our personal and professional judgment. What I also love about Farah and Farah, or Eddie and Chuck Farah, they are passionate about this practice. They are passionate about us as their attorneys, and they're passionate about the people that work with us. And that's really, really important. It creates a very positive work environment. It's a terrific place to work. And as a prospective client, I think that's important to know. Because if you've got someone that's going to be working on something so important as a personal injury case, you want to know that they love what they're doing, and you want to know they love where they work. And you want to know that they work in an environment that fosters teamwork, collaboration, and autonomy. If you had an accident and you stumbled across Rick Staggard and were wondering what Rick Staggard would do for you, here's what he would do. I would bring my 30 years of personal injury experience to everything that I did for you. I would bring my 100% commitment to your case. I would tell you that I cannot promise you anything except that I and my staff would work tirelessly for you, that we would unturn every stone to make sure that your case was properly investigated. I would keep you advised of everything that transpired in your case. You would know what's going on with it, and you would know why it's going on. When it comes down to negotiation, you will have an attorney that negotiates tough with insurance companies. That's been called a few names by insurance companies over the years, and will push very, very hard for you to get the best possible settlement offer. When that offer is made, I will then explain to you whether or not your best option is to accept it or go to trial.